In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can block trading here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to hit trade and open up the trade menu from this left-hand sidebar. You're going to see a section that says allow requests from, and this can be set to all. You can also change it from none and friends. So essentially, if you want to block trades with a specific person, you just need to go ahead and adjust this. So now like only friends would be able to trade with you, no one would be able to trade with you, or everyone would be able to trade with you. You can also view your history in here as well if you have any trade history. But that's actually the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace. Oh, and we are coming up on 25,000 subscribers, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support in the recent videos. I really do appreciate it. Stay tuned for that milestone. I think we're going to be doing something big. Bye-bye.